Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaeshwin and today we're going to be going over how to use video star presets. Now presets are basically just pre-made transitions or colorings made by other people, but of course you can make them yourself. And a lot of people use presets because they're too lazy to learn how to actually do the transition, so they just steal it from other people. I use presets sometimes, but I don't use them a lot because you're basically just stealing someone else's stuff. And a lot of people who use presets don't even give credit to the people that they took the presets from, but I will. So the presets in this video, the person who made that, their channel will be linked in the description below. Go check them out. So they have a great channel. Okay guys, so how you would get the preset in the first place. So you could go to YouTube and then you just search up video star presets. In this case, it's going to be a transition preset, so search up video star transition presets, and then usually it would show like some barcode along with like the text that says what kind of transition it is. And yeah, you take a screenshot of that, but make sure you crop out the rest of the screen or else it won't work. Alright guys, so now that you have your presets, you're going to press new, multi-layer, 1, and then press your clip, and then you're not going to press edit keyframes. You're going to press this button and press import, but then again you have to let Video Star access your photos. That's something you can enable in the settings app. Press yes, and you're going to press all photos. You're going to find what transition you're using, and usually you'll find out what preset to use first, indicating whether it's a 1 or a 2. Press yes. And since it's the start of the transition, we're gonna put it at the end. And sometimes presets, like, they mess up, but so like it looks like this and it's not supposed to. We can fix that. Go to edit keyframes and press this button once and turn the color all the way down. So we just turn the blur all the way down because that's not what it's supposed to be. If presets don't work for you guys sometimes, you can always fix it so it looks normal. And usually the video where it says what preset it is, it'll show you an example of what the preset should look like. So if it messes up, try to match up your transition to that. You're going to put it over to the other clip, press new, multi-layer, do literally the exact same thing, but this time we're going to put in a different preset. And you know it's the end of the transition because it says 2. You're going to press create. And now your pre-made transition should look something like this. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video, so if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.
Why frown when the sun goes down? If you wake in the morning to such nice sounds. When the nighttime creeps, well your eyes might weep, but that's moonlight trying to find night.